In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove a contact in Close CRM. Whether you're cleaning up your CRM or just need to remove outdated information, following these steps will ensure you can do it quickly and efficiently. First, let's start on your Close homepage. This is the main hub where you can access all your CRM activities. It's important to note that before you delete any contact, you may want to review their information to ensure there's nothing critical you need to retain. Once you're ready, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation bar. Here you will see a range of options, including the Contacts tab. Go ahead and click on Contacts. Now you'll be taken to a page displaying all the contacts stored in your CRM. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the specific contact you wish to delete. Once you've located the contact, click on their name to open up their detailed view. This allows you to double-check the information associated with this contact before proceeding with the deletion. With the contact details open, direct your attention to the top right section of the screen, just below the contact's name. You'll see three small dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several actions you can take concerning this contact. Within this drop-down menu, you'll find the Delete option. Click on Delete to initiate the removal process. At this point, Close CRM will prompt you with a confirmation message. This is an important step designed to prevent accidental deletions. The prompt will typically ask you to confirm that you truly want to delete the contact. Carefully read through the message. If you're absolutely sure about your decision and have checked that you're deleting the correct contact, go ahead and click on the Delete button in the prompt. This finalizes the action and permanently removes the contact from your CRM database. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a contact from Close CRM. Remember, once a contact is deleted, the action cannot be undone. It's always a good practice to ensure you have backups of your contact lists if you think you might need them later. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any other questions about managing your contacts in Close CRM or using other features, feel free to explore our other tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.